How to change only one page to landscape on Google Docs. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to change only one page to landscape on Google Docs. So I'll just add some random text over here. And what I'm going to do is copy and paste this a bunch of times, like so. Go to a next page and do the same thing. And do the same thing on the other one. So, all right, I have 3 pages right here on this document. As you can see here, it's 3 out of 3. So I've got these 3 pages. Let's say if I want to change the middle page to landscape, what I can do is select all of the text in there, like so. Right click on the text, and then you'll have this option called change page to landscape. That's basically it. You just have to tap on it, and only this single page will be changed to landscape like this, and you'll be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.